Now what happened in the medical round? That had different types of patterns on it. ऊपर के तीर check किए, perfect. नीचे के तीर check किए, not perfect. Sent me for the HR round. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelina Dominic Roderick and you're watching She Beyond Your League. The rounds here were completely different than what we normally expect because these questions were not the questions you're prepared for. They're comparing you one and one. They chose only experienced cabin crew. Today's video is about my cabin crew interview experience with Indigo Airlines that happened in Mumbai on 6th October 2021. So that was pretty recently. So you guys, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you guys give this video a like before leaving, and also if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell in case you don't want to miss any of my further videos regarding cabin crew. I also make vlogs, I also make hauls, I make content relating to beauty, fashion, makeup and many more things. So if you guys are interested in that, do follow me, and also follow me on all my social media handles on the screen and link down below. And there were other 3 girls who came from outside for their turn. And from them, there was also one more girl who was then kept for a hold after medical round. So her medical happened actually after me. So I went for my medical round. And as I was really open with them, really having fun with them, talking to them about their day and everything. Now what happened in the medical round? So there were 2 people, one who was actually checking, one who was writing down all the things. And the other one was the one who always waits and sees if I'm selected and to take my resume forward. So yes, the one who was taking the things, actually making me go through the things. So first she checked my eye vision. So there was a board with different letters and she was pointing on to them. Big letters, small letters, जैसे normal eye doctors के पास होता है to check your vision, वैसे ही था. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं था. There was the door. ज़्यादा दूर नहीं था. It was just like hardly 5-6 steps दूर. And yeah, there was the door. You had to see from दूर से कि where she is pointing, and you have to say, you have to speak out the letters. Then the second thing, there was a book that had different types of patterns on it. ठीक है, there was a small book that had different types of patterns on it, and उनके ऊपर एक different number में, एक different color में, like a green color. The patterns, all of the dots was and everything like that was in yellow. And I'm just giving you an example. And the particular number or the particular letter was in green. And that was also एकदम अकड़ा तिकड़ा ऐसा था. So you have to draw on top of that with your finger and show her that you can see or whatever the purpose of that was. So that is what you had to do. Then the third thing, she checked my height, and my height is 161 centimeter. If you guys see my vlogs of why I am saying this, yes, my height was 6 months before it was 159 centimeter, 6 or 7 months or 8 months before, I don't remember. January May मेरा height था 159 centimeter, and now it's 161 centimeter. So it's not a myth, your height does increase, ठीक है? And yes, that is what they checked, and it was 161 centimeter. And the reason why I was pretty scared for it was because of Etihad's 165 centimeters. That whole thing is in my vlog. I will try and put it up here. So yes, I'm 161 centimeter and I am not nervous anymore and not scared anymore. Anyways, so I was really happy with that. Then they checked my weight. That was 55 kgs. I am really shocked with that too because मैं बहुत खाती हूँ, मुझे लगा मेरा weight बहुत बढ़ गया रहेगा, but no, it was 55 still. So I guess that was just the fat और कुछ तो होगा, पता नहीं, am I normal? And yes, that also went really good. Then they checked my hands, then checked my face for any scars, my legs, and then they came to my teeth. Yes, my these teeth. So ऊपर के teeth check किए, perfect. नीचे के teeth check किए, not perfect. So they came to know that I have अलाइनमेंट का प्रॉब्लम, एंड देन दे रोट इट डाउन ओवर देयर. और फिर मेरा बर्थ मार्क का भी उन्होंने लिखा वहाँ पे, बिकॉज लिखने से पहले उन्होंने जो मेरे CV मेरी रेज्यूमे फॉरवर्ड देती है आगे के राउंड के लिए, उसको बताया कि इसका दांत अलाइंड नहीं है नीचे का, एंड शी हैज़ अ बर्थ मार्क ऑन हर हैंड. सो दैट लेडी सेड आप लिख दो, वील सी करके. And obviously that was because my communication and my progress in each and every round was really good. So obviously they didn't want to let go such a good candidate. So that thing happened. They just wrote it down. And also they made me read a paragraph. Yeah, in that checking thing they also made me read a paragraph that there were paragraphs written in big fonts, small fonts, very small fonts, aisa sab kuch. So they made me read each one of those. They made me fill a form in which they asked me about any chronic diseases, any allergy वो सब कुछ सारे medical चीज़ें उस पर tick करना था, yes or no. And after that what? After that they took me out and they sent me for the HR round. So I got selected from the HR round too, and the girls who were on hold from the medical round were still over there, sitting over there, and they took me for the HR round. Now why was that is, I'll tell you guys, it's just the communication. Communication is the jadoo ki chhadi. I don't have any jadoo ki chhadi. It's just communication. My communication is my jadoo ki chhadi. The whole time I was very smiley and laughing and asking them about their day and doing a little bit musty with them and everything like that. So all three of them also were very happy with me. Also the sir that didn't have any expression on his face, he also was so invested in my story and how I was talking, like in the last round, how I was talking and telling and answering my question. He also was very interested in my story and he finally showed an expression. So communication does work. He showed me an expression. It's that good now, and oh, you like to do this, oh, you like to do that. That kind of crispiness I got in my answers. After that, they took me for the HR round. I met the HR and she was also very pretty happy with me. She asked me a few questions, I answered them. Those were also the basic questions, like literally the basic questions. Then the lady who was there, she discussed about my things, like my problems, and that is my teeth alignment on the below and my birthmark. Okay? So she told me birthmark would be a little bit of problem, but teeth alignment is a problem. So what are you exactly doing? Is a little bit of problem. Then I told her that I recently, just 1 day ago, I got my braces off. I had braces in my lower teeth too, and I was going through a braces treatment, but for this interview I removed them out. And I told her that it was just 1 month that they needed to complete the whole process, but now I'm going to do aligners. They are transparent ones, ekdam clear ones. Okay? And I can remove them at any point and put them back at any point. So I can remove them the whole time during the duty and I can put them later on, kabhi bhi टाइम निकाल के. तो ड्यूटी के टाइम पे मैं निकाल सकती हूँ उन्हें और वो कंप्लीटली क्लियर होते, दे आर नॉट विजिबल एट ऑल. सो देन शी वाज लाइक, बट कितना टाइम लगेगा, बिकॉज दे टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. Aligners, clear, and there be 2 types of aligners. There be one with wire and there be one that are clear. This was the HR telling me. So I told her yes, but I'm going to do the clear aligners. So she said उनको तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. So I said yes, ज़्यादा टाइम लगता होगा. I don't know, but my dentist told me that it would take like 3 or 4 months. And I don't know exactly, actually I don't remember. I told her I don't exactly remember, but yes, obviously I have told them from the start that I'm going for my cabin crew, so they are going to try their best to do it as soon as possible. But aligners won't have any problem to do with the job. It's a complete clear aligners and I'm not going to wear them on flight. They're completely clear एक तो, और मैं flight के time पे उनको निकालने भी वाली हूँ, so there's no problem at all, is what I told them. And also when I'm smiling or when I'm talking, my lower teeth is very less noticeable or very lessly seen. I'm not getting the proper word, sorry. So yes, I told her that and I tried to convince her on that, and then she was like, but actually the thing is, we want people who are completely done with all those treatments, if they are, if there's a tattoo, that thing. But I was like, tattoo is something you do on your own, right? This is aligners, and tattoo is something that you don't know. Like the first girl, she was removed because they didn't know after those 2 settings also, is her skin going to be completely normal, because that tattoo had a bump. Okay, so they didn't know how it's going to look after the 1 month sitting also. Okay? After the 1 month also, they didn't know how it would look. But with teeth, that is not the same thing. You're having a whole blown treatment from your dentist. So that is that is obviously going to look how your aligned teeth looks. So yeah, I tried to explain that a lot. I tried to convince them with that a lot. And then they asked me to, then she asked me to wait outside. So I went outside, I waited. And then she comes out and she tells me, see, I spoke to her. We also spoke to our seniors. The HR also spoke to other people and spoke about this, but they are like, you need to come next time when you're completely done with your treatment. We urge you to come next time for an interview for us. We would be really glad to have you. So yes, but you complete your treatment nicely and you finish your treatment and then you come for the interview. And then I was like I had already done convincing, So I was like, I was a little disheartened because I did a lot of mehnat for it. Obviously, like everyone else. And what do you say? Even when I was getting selected in every round, I was feeling bad for all of the girls that went back, and literally many girls went back who traveled from so far. Like I was at least in Mumbai, but there were girls who were traveling from. There was one girl in my batch itself who traveled from Nagpur, sitting in a 15 hours long journey, and she came all the way here and gave her interview and still didn't get selected. There were many girls with suitcases who took a flight and came and flew here and came and gave their interviews. There were many such girls, and they were also capable, but they didn't select them. Like अगर कोई ऐसा होता who is not capable, तो समझ में आता तुम निकालते. But there in Delhi also there were many such girls who were really capable, and बहुत capable थे. उनका communication and everything, the way they looked, the way they carried themselves, their personality, their grooming, everything was so good, but they were only choosing the best out of the best. Or like what would you say, they had a really hard choosing, and we were very determined to it. तो अगर ऐसा ही था तो आप many girls were like so angry that they were like, अगर ऐसा ही था तो आप लिख देते कि it's for experienced only. So there was very less chances that the freshers were getting, So every time I was also getting selected, and everyone was actually, before the interview also, everyone was feeling really bad for the people who traveled from so, from so far away, who did so much mehnat. So that point of time I was also disheartened, because I thought that they should have ignored, which they would at normal circumstances. I've seen many YouTubers and their videos, they also don't have the perfectly aligned teeth down or up also, but they are still cabin crew. And yeah, this was not the case before COVID, but now just because probably they're going in loss and they want to make the company work again nicely, that's the reason they're taking experienced cabin crew or cabin crew with like literally none of the things that they don't want. Getting it? So they didn't want to invest in a candidate at all whom they don't know like how the thing is going to look, like a tattoo. They don't know how it will look after the setting is done, like after that 1 month setting is done. Like my braces, they don't know how it will look throughout the time my aligners are becoming. And the HR was like at least 6 months to lagta hi hai aligners ko and everything like that. But oh my god, I told them so many times, I tried to convince her so much. I did my best, guys. I told her that it's clear aligners, it's completely clear, it has nothing to do with your job, it's like nothing. I won't be wearing them during the flight or during my duty. I will be removing them off and I can remove them off. But like no, that is what I didn't like about them. Yes, I understand like you're in such a situation, but you are calling 600 to 700 candidates, okay? Obviously, they have sent all of those candidates selection emails, and that is why invitations, and that is why they are there, travel from so far away to give an interview with such hopes that they will be selected. That too when you're not paying for the travel expenses, or you're not, selecting them for the only hope that they have come. And also the candidates who are really capable, like the smallest flaw, who have traveled so much, जिन्होंने इतनी मेहनत तो सबने की है यार, but at least जो capable थे और जिन्होंने आपको दिखाया कि वो capable है, उनको लेना चाहिए था यार. Like seriously, I felt really disheartened, and I know like many of my friends are also going to feel that now. Many people who are asking me, thank you so much first of all to all the people who wished me all the best for my interview. That was really so important to me. It's really important to see who is there for me and who is there by my side during such times for such important things, and who's wishing for me. That all are the things that you're supposed to look in people. And thank you to all the people who did, and also the ones who followed up with me after the interview. People have asked me how my interview was, but I was, oh my god, उसके next day से ही मेरा फ्रैंकफिन चालू हुआ. 6 अक्टूबर के मेरा इंटरव्यू के एक दिन बाद से ही मेरा फ्रैंकफिन चालू हुआ, एंड उसके व्लॉग्स आपको आने वाले, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि मेरी क्या हालत हो रही थी रोज, एंड व्हाई आई वाज नॉट एट ऑल देयर. I was not able to reply to anyone. I was not able to put up the videos. So yes, many people had that, suspense in them कि क्या हुआ करके. So this is what happened. I cracked all rounds, literally all rounds, and the only problem that happened वो my aligners, जिसके ऊपर मैं वर्क कर रही हूँ इतने टाइम से यार. बस 1 और महीना था, बट अचानक इंडिगो का इंटरव्यू आ गया और उस वजह से मैंने निकाले अपने aligners ताकि मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए जा पाऊँ, राइट. बट फिर भी like they didn't see the passion behind it यार. I was like, I have the passion for it. They didn't see the candidate's passion for that job. That is what I didn't like at this time. I don't know ये हमेशा होता है कि नहीं, but my first experience was not the best. Even though I cracked the interviews, I cracked all of them, I didn't like what they did in the end. Just because of the aligners, they lost such a good candidate, and I'm telling that with full proudness and with full this, that I gave my interview so nicely and so perfectly that they lost a candidate. Seriously, for such a small issue, they lost. It was their loss. अगर मैं दूसरी चीज़ों में अपना बेस्ट नहीं देती और फिर मुझे रिजेक्शन मिलता अपने वजह से, then I wouldn't be this disheartened or this unsatisfied. The reason why I'm unsatisfied or disheartened or disappointed is because of such a small issue, and my 100%, my full try and my best actually, and in cracking all the interviews, despite of being compared in all interviews. As I told you guys in the second round also, I was being kept with someone else. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have one-on-one interviews later. That only happens in GD round when you're talking to others. That's from where they see that time. But here there was a one-on-one comparing also. So that was also pretty hard because they have 2 options at that time, and you have to please that one person and make that one person know that you're the best for this job, and that one person feel that nahi, this person has that baat. वो चीज़ करना बहुत difficult है when you are having 2 people in front of you and that person is comparing both of you and seeing your answers, and that both of the people can be 2 different people. Both people are different, so obviously we both were also different. अंडरस्टैंड इंटरव्यू के लिए भी डिफिकल्ट है, बट हम लोग के लिए ऊपर भी कितना वो प्रेशर था, कितना नर्वसनेस था, आप समझ ही सकते हो, कितनी एंग्जाइटी थी, आप समझ ही सकते हो. सो येस, इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट इंटरव्यू टू क्रैक, वेरी डिफिकल्ट इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस टू क्रैक, बट आई डिड इट एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट. बट दे लॉस्ट अ गुड कैंडिडेट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सच अ स्मॉल इशू दैट कुड हैव बीन क्लियर्ड, मैन. उनको कोई लेना देना नहीं है मेरे अलाइनर से यार. ड्यूटी पे नहीं मैं निकाल सकती हूँ अलाइनर्स, ड्यूटी पे नहीं. लाइक आई कैन नॉट वेयर इट ऑन माई ड्यूटी लाइक थ्रू आउट, एंड इवन इफ आई वेयर इट इट्स क्लियर, बट आई टोल्ड देम आई वुड नॉट वेयर इट. ऑब्वियसली इफ दे हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम आई वुड नॉट वेयर इट. व्हाई वुड आई? But yeah, that thing, no. And yeah, even I thought ki because of the same thing, they might have lost many good candidates, like the girl who was there with me in the second communication round. Yes guys, वो बहुत अच्छी टक्कर की थी मेरी, and she should have also been selected. Both of us should have been selected because both of us deserved it. She was also so good at communication and everything. So मुझे उस चीज़ के लिए भी बुरा लगा कि उसने भी अपना इतना अच्छा 100% दिया, and she's also so good and in everything, and they lost her. Like seriously, they lost her. मुझे ज़रा अच्छा नहीं लगा. and for others also I didn't like it, for myself also I didn't like it. Obviously at that point अपने आप के लिए थोड़ी खुशी थी कि हाँ मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई, हो रहा है मेरा काम. But then when I was looking at it, I was like very nervous कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, why are they doing like that, why are they removing people like that, you know. Pretty rude लगा मुझे, या pretty क्या बोलेंगे अभी, strict लगा मुझे selection. Yeah, I didn't pretty like it, you know. Anyways, that was my whole interview process and my whole interview experience. What I learned from it is right now the selection process is very difficult, so don't take it lightly. Please don't go unprepared. Oh my god, to the girls ना जो like prepare होके नहीं आते, मेरे को मन करता है ना like तुम इतने अच्छे हो यार, like बहुत बुरा लगता है, बहुत like बस तुमको बुरा नहीं लगता है जब तुम जाते हो यार, दूसरे लड़के लोग को भी बुरा लगता है, ऐसी भी लड़कियां होती है जिनको बुरा लगता है. Like you have that in you, be prepared. Like there were girls in my group who were talking to me so nicely, who we bonded over like just 2 hours. We were talking to each other constantly, चबर हम लोग का चल रहा था, इतना अच्छा communicate कर रहे थे यार. But वहाँ पे जाके क्या हो गया, just because you were not prepared, you were not confident, you were being nervous, you were thinking कि others are doing so great and what I'm going to do, like how am I going to do, and all these things की वजह से you miss out that one chance जिसके लिए तुमने इतना मेहनत किया यार, तुम इतना travel करके आए, तुम इतना सब कुछ करके आए. मुझे पता था झापड़ लगाओ, तो तुमको अगर झापड़ नहीं चाहिए ना तो प्लीज ऐसे प्रिपेयर होके जाओ यार, पूरी तरह से प्रिपेयर होके जाओ सीरियसली. अदरवाइज देन इट इज योर लॉस, not theirs. If you're not prepared and you're not giving your 100%, then it is your loss and not theirs. They don't care. They have many other people over there. So you need to be different. You need to have that confidence and have all of those things. So please prepare hoke jao. So the first round, the whole process was completely different. First round was the GD round, which was not kind of GD but GD with personal questions round. You can name that. Second round was the communication round. Third round was the medical round. Fourth round was the HR round. So first round में क्या हुआ, 5 questions पूछे, 2 questions पूछे 5 जन को, ठीक है, I'm so sorry for that. 2 questions पूछे 5 जन को personally, everyone had to answer one by one. सेकेंड राउंड में क्या हुआ, कम्युनिकेशन देगा. फॉर दैट क्रिएटिव क्वेश्चंस पूछे ऑन द स्पॉट, आपको स्पॉट पे लेकिन ऑन द स्पॉट डाला गया टू सी हाउ यू आंसर टू दोस क्वेश्चंस. बहुत क्रिएटिव एंड डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस थे. ऑल्सो दैट सेकंड राउंड में ही इवन आस्क्ड अस टू फ्रेम अ सेंटेंस फ्रॉम अ वर्ड एंड द वर्ड वाज अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो आई फ्रेम्ड माइन, शी फ्रेम्ड हर्स. तो ऐसे सडन लाइक यू नो पोजीशंस में डाला उन्होंने टू सी योर आंसर विद कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड येस इन दैट ऑल्सो शायद उसमें थोड़ा डिसएडवांटेज हुआ रहेगा. अपॉर्चुनिटी का वर्ड मैंने बहुत अच्छे से यूज किया एंड द अदर गर्ल यूज, शी एक्चुअली सेड द सेम थिंग आई सेड, बट आई सेड आई एंड शी सेड वी, एंड उसके आगे थोड़ा उसने ऐसा बढ़ाने का कोशिश किया नर्वसली, बिकॉज उसको भी समझ में आ गया कि लाइक यू नो अनजाने में उसने वो सेम ही चीज़ बोल दी. सो या प्रॉब्ली भी उसके वजह से भी नहीं किया, पता नहीं यार, ये लोग बहुत छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ देखते हैं. सो या बी रियली केयरफुल. Third round was the medical round where they check your hands and legs for scars, they check your teeth, they check your eyes, they check your eyesight, they check all of these things. Fourth was the HR round in which you have the interview with the HR one-on-one, and then she selects you or doesn't select you. So that is what all the 4 rounds were. So yes, it's going to be difficult. It can be difficult if they're getting late. और पहले मुझे लगता है normally गया रहेगा, but जब उनको late होने लगा तब this is how they were taking the interview. So be prepared. It's a difficultest possible way के लिए भी ready रहो when they'll be comparing you with someone else on the spot. So be ready for that too and don't get nervous. Don't think कि ये इंसान मेरे से कितना अच्छा बोल रहा है, पता नहीं मैं select होंगी कि नहीं. Don't compare yourself with anyone and just give your answer. And even with those 5 people, because then also that time also having personal interview, right? So don't compare yourself with those 5 people also कि ये लोग कितना अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं, मेरा क्या होगा. Don't get confused. So you guys, that was my whole experience. I hope you guys like this video. अगर आपका भी ऐसा कुछ experience था, बहुत अच्छा और interesting वाला था, तो आप मुझे नीचे comment करके बता सकते हो. Also ये interview के लिए मेरे को वहाँ पे जाके I had read when I posted my last video, मेकअप करना है कि नहीं करना है. मेकअप वो वाला वीडियो मैंने एडिटिंग के टाइम पे मेरे को ये पता चला कि दिल्ली वाले कैंडिडेट्स बोल रहे थे कि 60% ऑफ द पीपल हैड पुट मेकअप, 40% ऑफ द पीपल हैड नॉट पुट मेकअप. बट द पीपल 60% ऑफ द पीपल हु हैड पुट मेकअप, दे डिडंट आस्क देम टू रिमूव इट. So there was a YouTuber who's a very famous and good YouTuber, a cabin crew, experienced YouTuber. She said that you have to put makeup, you put a full face of makeup करके, and in case you take, you know, wipes with you or you take makeup remover with you. So that is the tip that I gave in my last video's comment section too, that ऐसा ऐसा मुझे पता चला है. So yeah, that is what I gave. So there in this interview also there were many such people who had not put makeup and there were many such people who had put makeup. So since last वाले Delhi candidates ने बोला था कि हमें पूछा नहीं गया to remove makeup, but मुझे बोला गया, only one person, the first round lady, she told me to remove my makeup. She told me that what it was mentioned in the instructions, right, that you have to remove with no makeup, you have to come with no makeup. I answered, I asked her also. I said this was the first time that any airline asked no makeup for an interview and there was a lot of confusion about it. So I did what was the best, but if you want me to remove the makeup, I have wipes, I have face wash, I can remove it and show it to you. So she said, okay, no problem, you can remove your makeup before the medical round if they want you to. Then I went forward with it and किसी ने मुझे नहीं बोला medical round में makeup निकालने, because actually it's very obvious on my skin. If you see my skin, you come to know that I have a clear face, I don't have acne and anything like that. Acne makeup पे भी like you know you can make out कि तुम्हें acne, very obvious, but I don't know, you know, what was the first lady is saying. So yes, and also there were many girls without makeup, but without makeup का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम shabbily आ जाओ guys. There were some girls who had come really shabbily. उन्होंने अपने बाल भी बराबर बांधे नहीं थे और they're not setted properly. सब ऐसे 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 fly हो रहे थे, सब कुछ ऐसे बाल उनके. उन्होंने अपना जो बन है वो भी बराबर नहीं बांधा था. Half of the hair was outside, ऐसा था. Half of the hair was like loose from your like this, like ऐसा बन बांधा और ऐसा loose हो गया, ऐसा सब कुछ था. Then there were girls who didn't follow the guidelines properly, like putting the stockings. They didn't wear the stockings. Then there were girls who were not really good with their posture and everything. When they came also, like they were like sitting like this. Some girls were like this. I also sit like this. I sit much khatarnak ways at home. I do. But you're not supposed to sit like this for an interview where they observe each and everything. So there were many girls who took this very lightly. But I'm sure यार हर लड़की ने बहुत मेहनत की उस सुबह. Like seriously, मैं ये बोल ही नहीं सकती कि मैंने ज़्यादा मेहनत की है, क्या उस लड़की ने ज़्यादा मेहनत की है, उस लड़की ने ज़्यादा मेहनत की, उस लड़की ने ज़्यादा मेहनत की, उस लड़की ने कम की है, उसने कम की है. ऐसा मैं पिन पॉइंट नहीं कर सकती. सब लड़कियों लोग ने बहुत मेहनत की है. तो अगर आपने मेहनत की है तो ये सब कुछ मत करो ना यार. ये सब सारी हरकतें मत करो. When you're going for an interview, don't give them a single chance, man, to reject you for such small things. Your dress code is not proper. There were many girls like they had asked you to wear knee length skirt. Some wore long ones, some wore shorter ones. अरे यार फॉलो करो, कितना डिफिकल्ट है. फॉलो ऑल द गाइडलाइंस. डोंट गिव देम अ चांस टू like pinpoint any of these small things, because these small things don't deserve you to get rejected, dude. So don't do that. Don't let all these small things ruin your whole interview experience or your whole interview. So be really sure about it. There were many people who did basic makeup also. So here also I would like to say, I won't say 40% people had not put makeup. I won't say that. There was only 20% of girls who had not put makeup, and rest all 80% had applied makeup. And no one was asked to remove their makeup. No one was asked except me, by that only one lady. After that no one asked me, because I don't know, that lady couldn't see that my face is clear, or that lady couldn't make out, because she thought कि मैंने इतना अच्छे से मेकअप किया तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से हाइड भी कर लिया रहेगा. That is why probably she told me to remove my makeup, because she might be thinking कि मैं acne छुपा रही हूँ क्या. But the other ladies in the medical round, they clearly saw my face and they came to know that my skin is clear. So yes, I was not asked to remove my makeup. And again, next time, this was the first time, and they actually meant that they have to remove the makeup, because it got confirmed when I met that interviewer in the first round who told me, right? So it's confirmed that they said with no makeup. And also they updated it in their applications now, that अभी वो लोग ने clear किया, just because इतना confusion था और मैंने भी वो चीज़ उनको बोली, जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को बोला तो मैं बोलूँगी. So अभी वो लोग ने वो चीज़ clear की है, clearly लिखा है कि with no makeup but candidates can carry makeup in case, ऐसा लिखा है. ठीक है, इन केस दे आस्क्ड टू डू द मेकअप. सो वो लिखा है वहाँ पे. नाउ दे हैव मेड इट क्लियर. पहले क्लियर नहीं था. सो येस, विद दैट बीइंग सेड, दैट्स वेयर आई वुड लाइक टू एंड माय वीडियो. आई होप यू गाइस एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. इफ यू गाइस डिड, डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो a thumbs up, and also subscribe down below and turn on the post notifications, and follow me on all my social media handles on the screen, link down below. And if you guys like my beautiful face and want to get more updates about cabin crew life, cabin crew life के अंदर जाने वाला struggle, मेरे vlogs है, and if you are interested in fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos and vlogs, if you guys are interested in all of that, मेरे लाइफ में बहुत सारे पंगे होते हैं, तो I'm sure आप लोगों को मेरे vlogs पसंद आएंगे. तो if you guys are interested in all of that, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe with notification bell. Okay.